Bug bites are a source of chronic frustration for kids and families alike because they happen all the time and they happen when kids are outside and trying to enjoy themselves. Over the counter bug repellents, the DEET containing things. So those are safe to use. However, some families don't want to use them for various reasons, and that's okay. They are not required. What they do is they produce a chemical that is just sort of foul smelling to the bugs, for ants, for mosquitoes, for ticks, and so it just sorts to repel them. It doesn't do much to the child, but it does have that sort of chemical in it. Another option that I recommend to families who don't want to use DEET-containing sprays are citrus. So citrus does a similar thing where it just is not very attractive to the mosquitoes in particular. That's why a lot of those sprays kind of smell like lemons. And so citrus sprays are a good option. They're not quite as effective, but sometimes families find they work okay. The things that will cause a child to become ill from a bug bite are usually not the bug bite itself. It's the bacteria or the stuff in that bug's saliva. And so the mosquitoes that we have here do not have the viruses and the scary diseases that I'm worried about from South America, from Africa, which is great. That being said, the bug bites can still get infected after the fact. And so the best way to prevent against secondary infection, which is really the part about bug bites that I'm worried about, is if you have a bug bite, putting something on that will help with the itching. So over-the-counter sort of itch relief creams are safe and effective. And if the scratch is open, you can even just put Vaseline on there, just some sort of barrier so that bacteria does not get into that wound and cause an infection. They are infected, and if the area is red and tender and painful, that's when I would want to see and assess to see if there is infection that I need to treat with antibiotics. The vast majority of the time, that is not the case. And bug bites will heal on their own, and they're more bothersome than they are dangerous.